begin to be foes. Just know my mind kinda off, I'm like Emily Rose. When I see my first man get murdered, I took a little strike from the game like a transit worker. I won't keep pushing packs to get paid and be a grown-ass man with no accolades. And know the truth hurts, I can't fabricate. So nothing's made up, just the facts I say. My son got to have a brother. It's a different father, same mother. If it ain't one thing, it's another. Sometimes this rap shit seems so easy.
To the Gucci, to the Gucci,
motherfucking killer, Shot-Town gorilla. Run up in your place and I'm pulling all the triggers. Blam, now he dead. Blam, now he on the floor. Blam, I shoot his ass, now his ass cold. Body cold, nigga can't breathe no more. I'm a motherfucking monster. Kill you right there. We got goons over here. We got goons over there. We got goons in your front room and goons in your bathroom. Anywhere you go, it's like a house party in here. Choppers to get invited. We chopping the niggas' body. Chopping the niggas' body. Rolling up in a shotty. Wow, that's one more dead body. I'm pulling out the cat, man. Black man, I don't give no fuck. I'm that, man. I'm a motherfucking monster. 2 + 2. You could've saw me if I was a math problem.
Let me get on the track. You gonna go reverse, come back. One blood. The track better go straight up.
Nigga. Now they fucking buried in the ditch, nigga. He's dead. These old bones too dead. Damn, I left the nigga so red, but I ain't got no dreads. My shit's not swinging. My shit is legit. Hey, my shit just be blinging, but I make it snow in here. I make it rain in here. Nigga, it's everywhere. I got the dro in the haze. Nigga, what you wanna blaze? Come on, take a ride. We chillin' on the beach, sippin' Coronas with the motherfucking lime. I keep a fucking dime on my side all the time. And nigga, you was dumb. You is fucking numb. I hit you in your mouth. I go back where you from, nigga. Pull up in the fucking Hummer, nigga. Take your girl to motherfucking Dave & Buster's, nigga, I'm a rocker. Ray Rice, holding back like a motherfucker. He's my motherfucking brother. Fuck you, fuck your dad, and your fucking mother. But nigga, not my brother. I told it to his mother and threw it to her sister. She gave it to her cousin, who put it in his liver, and then it threw the river, and now he's just a nigga.
And we left him on the track, I don't care, nigga, I want it like 8th break. I don't care, I'm telling you, I'm so irate. And them niggas know I'm coming with the whole cake. Yeah, that's me, nigga, I got it like, fuck it, he ain't fake it all, nigga, he just opened up the bucket and put your guts in it like the world's gonna cuff it. I lock this thing down like niggas, just fuck it. You don't wanna see him, he's a one blood nigga. But I don't give a shot that gun, yeah, it's one killer. And yeah, he's one thriller. He don't need no listener. Fuck it, I'm just coming to give you something like bless him. Let him just tell him like, I don't give a fuck. See me over here, nigga, sipping on this cup. That's Jack in that cup, and I'm drinking it up. You can see me over here, man, I'm fucking her up. Like, damn, she's a slut. Like, damn, she's a slut. Like, damn, I got good luck. Like, she's a fucking slut. I don't even know how she do it with her nut. But I will give it to her, yeah, straight up her butt.
It's coming. I know you hear him coming. It feel like 03 yet? You in that mood yet? I just like saying that shit. That shit just sound good. Jersey. King of New Jersey.
This shit right here is called World Takeover.
It's that on time. You got someone to shoot them on sight. Then it's someone to shoot them on sight. Someone to shoot them on sight. Someone to shoot them on sight.